When I first started doing solo ads, this is why I tell people not to, do too much in the very beginning, because I learned my lesson, right?
Yeah.
What happened was I got excited and I was like, oh my God, look at all these leads, right? And then I started making some sales. And I thought because I made, let's say, a couple of sales out of like 100 clicks, I literally was like, oh man, this has got to work. I'm going to get even more sales. So what I did was I would do like 1,000 clicks. And I think I paid like $600 and something for 1,000 clicks, right? And what happened was I noticed I didn't make any sales when I did that run. So I lost a lot of money. Now, yeah, I did get the leads, but understand I was still new in this strategy, learning it, that I didn't fully understand it. So I was losing money because I didn't understand the follow-up process, the the tweaking of your emails, the conversions, that kind of stuff. I didn't understand that back then. So that's why I lost money, right? So one day I joined this program. I forgot the name of it, but I met I would say another mentor, and he showed me his spreadsheet. Do you know what his spreadsheet looked like? And he was just killing it. He went to every single vendor and did only 100 clicks. That's it. 100 clicks. I mean, and this spreadsheet was like, I mean, I can't even fit it in the screen. It was just so long. And I just saw name after name after name after name after name, and the data, like what was the opt-in rate? What was the how many leads did you get? How much did it cost? He had it all on the spreadsheet, but everything was all 100 clicks. And this is why I taught people, and I learned from that experience, is to go wide.
Yes.
Not deep.
Yes.
Now think about that for a second. That means that you're picking more off of different ponds.
Absolutely.
So what does that tell you? That tells you that you have an opportunity to actually find those diamonds in the rough, which are more of the buyers. You see, when we are doing solo ads, the goal is not to get excited and spend all this money thinking you're going to make more sales. No, the focus is to get to the most ponds as you can, to find those diamonds in the rough, to find those buyers, because the goal is to always find the buyers, no matter what kind of marketing we do.
That's right.
Right? I mean, I got traffic coming in from all these different places. Not everybody's a buyer. Some are, but not everybody. Right? But the goal is always to find the buyers, because a buyer is going to buy and they'll buy again and again and again.